Hello, everybody. It's Miss Palermo with your weekly Screencast-O-Matic. I think that's what this is called. I hope all is well for everybody as we are heading on to week 2, April 13th through 17th of your learning. Thank you, Khan Academy, for helping make wonderful videos to teach all of you new things. So I hope everybody had a wonderful weekend. There were lots of various celebrations going on, from Passover to Easter and a whole bunch of things in between. I know many of you don't follow it as closely as I do, but the Trolls movie came out on Friday, so I'm wondering if you can let me know if any of you were able to watch it. I'll hear that on Zoom. So just to quickly go over the schedule, starting Monday, you are getting new specials. So hopefully you all know that you are doing the one special that you have not done this year for the fourth quarter. We are also doing our regular Zoom meeting. So if you would like to come check in with math or English, you have to do that Tuesday through Friday, just one time at 10 o'clock. You can come more than one time if you have questions or just to check in. And the other thing is I am changing some things this week. So right now in front of you is this week's schedule. So if you look, our weekly review is expected work and our new learning opportunities is expected for this week too. So the one thing I am having an issue with is the Khan Academy. There are a handful of you that are not logged in under the classroom code. So I cannot see if you are actually completing the lessons or not. It would be really helpful if you can please make sure you are logging in with your Khan Academy classroom or class ID. Okay, you have to put that class code in there. This week, as a review, you need to complete the iReady assigned lesson. It's on adding and subtracting decimals. Some of you should breeze through this, but this should take everybody about 30 minutes to complete it. So make sure you are focused when you sit down to finish this lesson in its entirety. But just as you know, you do not have to finish it all in one sitting. So you can start it. It will save your work if you want to come back to it. Next, the new learning opportunities are also expected through Khan Academy. This week we are doing more with statistics. So you need to watch 2 videos. The first one, or one of the videos, is 8 minutes long, and the second video is 3 minutes long. They focus on the mean, median, and mode. Some of you have already had that. Just to go quickly, the mean is the average. The median is the middle value in a data set of numbers. And the mode is the value that occurs the most frequently. And all that will be highlighted in the Khan Academy video. After you watch the 2 videos, you will be in good shape to complete the 4 quick exercises below. Do your best to answer all the questions. It is completely okay if you do not get everything right. Last week, the number of 100% on the Khan Academy work was astounding. So yay, you guys did awesome. Thank you for that. I really appreciate all your hard work. Next, I want you to try this out. So we have the regular problem of the week, and 6th grade is kicking butt, by the way, in the problem of the week solutions. This week looks super fun because it's a card trick. I think you'll really like it. Now, here's the deal. I love the game 24. I have it at my house. It's a card game. It is super fun. They have an online version of it. As you can see, I really encourage you to play that one. There's also another opportunity for some online gaming that's math related that I think will be really fun and interesting and challenging. It's called Math Pickle. It's all organized by grade, and I think you will enjoy it. But I really want you to do 24. 24 is so fun. Now, if you have any questions or need me for anything else, then just let me know. I'm here for you, and I miss you all very much. I hope you had a great weekend, and we're kicking off the next week of school, April 13th through the 17th. Enjoy, and I'll see you on Zoom.